In this video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup tracks in Pro Tools. Now, the first thing I'm going to do here is actually group them. So I'm going to click on the first one, hold the Shift key, click the last one, and I'm going to press Ctrl and G to actually create a group. And just like this, I'm going to hit OK. Now, as you can see over here, this is now my group. So if you want to ungroup them, you can right click over here. And as you can see, if you click on Modify, it's going to show you which tracks are inside the group. So you simply want to select all of these tracks by clicking on the first one, holding down Shift key and clicking on the last one, and you want to click on remove. Now when you do that, you can simply click on the OK button, and then as you can see, you basically have not chosen at least one track, so it's giving you like an error over here. So the easiest way would be to either just do this and then click on one of them and add them in here as well. So of course there's going to be just one inside the group, and then you can just go and delete this group over here like this, and then click delete, and basically group is going to be deleted and the tracks are no longer grouped. Now you could also just go and delete it from the get-go. So if I create a new group over here, I can just right click and then delete and confirm it, and as you can see, it's going to delete this group, but the tracks remain in here. So that's how to do this, that's how to ungroup. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.